Buknuwo 100 amp hour battery arrived, so let's get it in the house and check it out. This is the mini version of the 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. It comes with a 100 amp BMS. It has the Bluetooth BMS so that I can monitor the state of charge and the wattage being used in the battery. First thing we'll do is check the voltage and connect it to the Bluetooth and check what the state of charge is on the shipped battery. And I like to weigh it. Okay, it comes with a manual. That's quite a bit of information in here. Here are the lugs and insulating caps. Looks like the battery is shipped very well protected in a heavy-duty cardboard box with a foam top and foam on the bottom of the battery. It's enclosed in this plastic bag here. Keep it away from moisture. It's got a barcode and QR code on the side for scanning, probably for setting up the Bluetooth that way. I'm going to weigh the battery now. Looks like it weighs 26.2 pounds. Okay, we're going to check the voltage of the battery, and I've already connected to the Bluetooth so we can check the state of charge here. The meter is reading 13.17 and the app is 13.16 at 36% charge. So that's about right for shipping charge. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and charge the battery up to full charge. I'm going to use this 7 amp low current charger. So it's going to take several hours, many hours to get it charged up. The BMS is showing that we're charging with a little over 7 amps at 100 watts approximately. After many hours of charging, the battery is full. And now we're going to go ahead and connect it to this inverter and to a space heater to check its capacity to see how much energy we can pull out of this. I'm going to connect up first the negative terminal. For connecting the positive terminal, I'm going to connect it through a resistor to pre-charge the capacitors in the inverter so we don't get a spark on the terminal. So here I'm just going to clip this onto the cable and then onto the terminal here. You'll see I've got a light also in parallel with the resistor so I can see what's happening. I brought in my space heater, which I'll be running through this inverter at the low setting, which is about 600 watts, so drawing over 50 amps from the battery continuously, and should be able to draw over 2 hours worth. The battery is rated at 1280 watt hours, so it should be able to power this space heater for approximately 2 hours. We'll get a good measurement here from the BMS to see how much power it's drawing. Okay, it looks like it's drawing nearly 700 watts at 52.86 amps. The space heater ran for 1 hour and 58 minutes with an average power draw of 672 watts. So a total output power of 1,322 watt hours, which is about 3.3% higher than the rating. Overall, I'm pleased with this battery. It's lightweight, compact, connects to the Bluetooth quickly, and it exceeds its capacity rating. So for the price, it's a great little battery. I recommend it.